Hi, all of you. Hope you would have gotten insight of the major theoretical frameworks of school counseling in the previous week. This week will make you understand the concept of counseling, its objectives, and guiding principles. Moreover, you will all learn about the school counseling needs with relevance to the stages of counseling. The onset of the Industrial Revolution in general and the pandemics in particular has made it mandatory for every academic institution to appoint school counselors to help students with academics, train them on coping skills, to sort out their personal and societal issues, and to provide career guidance. The major task of the school counselor is to supply the needed information to the students so that they become academically successful, emotionally strong, and socially stable individuals. In other words, school counselors trace down the right path for an individual towards a holistic development. In this competitive world, every school student has to be assisted in preparing him or her for college and in equipping them for a career, which becomes a key responsibility of the multifaceted school counselor. This module on the objectives and principles of school counseling will deal with the concept and specified needs of school counseling. It also would give you an insight into the key objectives and the principles that guide the process of school counseling. This module on objectives and principles of school counseling comes to you in the form of 3 videos. The first video will be on concept and need for school counseling, and the second video on the objectives of school counseling, and the third on the principles of school counseling. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand the concept of school counseling, recognize the major needs of school counseling. Now, let us look into the concept of school counseling. The concept of school counseling has changed so much than what was considered a decade ago. Concerning the role of school counselors, it is much more than just managing the class schedules, conducting awareness classes on the possible college courses, and dealing with disciplinary issues. Today, the school counselor's role has become manifold and they are expected to provide support and guidance to every student, train them with proactive coping skills to deal with academic stressors or personal issues, guide them to deal with emotional or relationship issues, interpret achievement, cognitive level, aptitude, employing standardized tests, and guide them to choose career path accordingly. More importantly, follow up on each of the above tasks is needed. Though the above specified tasks are mandatory as per the job description of a school counselor, their exact duty changes day to day as per the needs of the students. On the whole, the school counselor should ensure that every student enrolled in the school becomes a dynamic, stable, and mature individuals. Now, on to the need for school counseling. School counseling plays a prominent role in bringing out the best in every student. As good conduct of a child is greatly desired, the young minds need guidance to refine their traits. Counseling can help the students to prepare for a better life after school. The scope of school counseling concerning the students' benefits are shown to you. First is to deal with psychological problems. Through counseling, the students are given proper guidance to realize their psychological problems and augment their ability to solve day-to-day problems and decision-making skill. Then comes shape a student's behavior. Counseling can instill appropriate behavior and discipline among the school students, which in turn guide them to understand what to do and how to move things in the best possible way. And then comes the school counselor acting as a bridge between the school management and students. School counseling acts as a bridge between the school administration and the stakeholders in general and students in particular. The school counselors always have a chance of taking the stakeholders' issue to the management and help the administration to realize the importance of addressing the issue and sorting it out. Then, most important is career guidance. Students get wholesome advice on higher education programs to choose a career that matches their aptitude, interest, and needs. Hence, the students will be able to make an informed and appropriate choice of career after school. Then, managing and keeping friends is also an important task. Counseling addresses relationship and friendship issues, provides strategies of how to get along with the peer group, make and keep friends without compromising their needs and desires. Then, developing proper study habits. Counselors would provide strategies for adopting better study habits mapped to their learning styles. They would also provide tips to prepare them for examinations efficiently. Counselors can also identify the underlying causes of underachievement and resolve it to a level where the students can move on to the next class with ease. The school counselors should also address free studentship and concession. School counseling also provides an awareness among the students of available freeships, concessions, scholarships, etc. that would benefit the students at large. Then comes the addressing specific problems. An open talk on specific problems like substance abuse, violence, physical or sexual abuse, peer pressure, exam anxiety, depression can be openly discussed by the school counselors to create an awareness of its effects on the students and their society. The individual counseling is also provided for students involved or affected by these issues. So, bye as of now. Let us meet in the next video that deals with the objectives of school counseling. Thank you.